He killed over 50,000 Roman soldiers in a single day. Rome was defenseless, terrified, ready to fall. But then, Hannibal did nothing, and that one decision changed history forever. This is Hannibal Barca, the general Rome feared more than anyone. Instead of attacking from the sea, he chose the impossible. He marched an army across the Alps. Freezing temperatures, deadly cliffs, and war elephants. Most of his army didn't survive the journey, but the ones who did became unstoppable. When Hannibal reached Italy, Rome had no idea what was coming. Here's what makes this story unbelievable. Hannibal didn't just defeat Rome once, he defeated them again, and again, and again. Every army they sent, he destroyed. But his greatest victory was something Rome would never forget. 216 BC, the Battle of Cannae, around 80,000 Roman soldiers against a smaller Carthaginian force. Rome believed this would be the battle that crushed Hannibal forever. Instead, it became a massacre. Hannibal let the Roman army push forward, then slowly surrounded them from both sides. A perfect trap. Within hours, the Roman army was completely encircled. No escape, no mercy. By the end of the day, over 50,000 Romans were dead. One of the worst military defeats in history. Rome had lost almost everything. No army left to defend the city. Panic in the streets. The road to Rome was open. So why didn't Hannibal march forward and end it? Because winning battles is not the same as winning a war. Rome wasn't just a city, it was a fortress. Its massive walls couldn't be broken without siege equipment, and Hannibal didn't have any. His army was exhausted, wounded, and far from home. Years of fighting had taken their toll, and the biggest problem, Hannibal was alone. Carthage didn't send enough reinforcements, no backup, no support. So instead of attacking Rome directly, Hannibal chose a different strategy. He believed if he kept defeating Roman armies, Rome's allies would turn against it, and the empire would collapse from within. But Rome didn't break, it adapted. Instead of chasing Hannibal, Rome avoided him. They rebuilt their strength, slowly, patiently, and then they struck back. A new general rose to power, Scipio Africanus. He took the war directly to Carthage, forcing Hannibal to return home. And in 202 BC, at the Battle of Zama, Hannibal was finally defeated. Hannibal won almost every battle he fought. But the one battle he didn't fight, the attack on Rome, that was the one that cost him everything. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Rise of Conquerors for more incredible history stories.